Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. At first open your camera app. Now enroll more options and here you will notice timer, so just apply 3 or 10 seconds delay, however you like, and grab a photo. So that's it. Whenever you want to turn it off, enroll settings again and mark off. Now the photo would be grabbed. It should be grabbed straight away, but most probably I didn't. Now it's off. Okay, so it's just due to the dark background, but now as you can see, it is done right after you click. Let me just show you one more time how timer looks here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.